Hello students, welcome to Services classes. Today we will be solving the electrical engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. The electrical engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We will be solving the engineering mathematics portion. We will be solving question number 9 today. In question number 9 it has been said that let fx be the function 3x cube minus 7x square plus 5x plus 6. Now if fx, this is the definition of fx, we need to find out the maximum value of fx over the closed interval 0 to 2. We need to find out that value up to 1 decimal places. So what we'll try to do is that we have been given that f of x is equal to 3x cube minus 7x square plus 5x plus 6. Before proceeding with the problem, we will try to find out f of 0. Now f of 0 is nothing but equal to 6. Let us find out f of 2. F of 2 will be equal to 3 into 2 cube 7 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus 6. So this will be equal to 3 into 8, that will be equal to 24 minus 7 into 4. 7 into 4 will be equal to 28 plus 10 plus 6. So this will be equal to 24 plus 10, 34, 34, 40. 40 minus 28, this will be equal to 12. So f of 0 and f of 2 we have found out. Since we are considered with the closed interval 0 to 2, so we are finding out the value at the extremes. This is what we have. This is one thing that will have. Now in between 0 to 2 we are will try to find out the maximum value. So now f dash x will give us 9x square minus of 14x plus 5. So this will give us, if we take 9x square minus 9 of x minus 5x plus 5. So if we take 9x common over here, this will give us x minus 1, and 5 common over here, this will also give us x minus 1. So basically this comes down to 9x minus 5 into x minus 1. So this will give us, if we take 9 common, x minus 5 by 9 by x minus 1. This is what we have got. And if we try to find out f double dash x, so f double dash x will be equal to 18x minus 14. 18x minus 14. This is what we, so now for maximum or minimum, f dash of x is equal to 0. So this implies that x will be either equal to 5 by 9 or 1. Now though both these values lie in the interval 0 to 2. So now what we have to do, we have to check out for f double dash. So now f double dash 5 by 9, this is equal to 18 into 5 by 9 minus 14. So this is equal to 10 minus 14, this is equal to minus of 4, which is less than 0. So therefore this is maximum. Now let us consider with f double dash of 1. So f double dash 1 is equal to 18 into 1 minus 14, that is 4, which is greater than 0, and thus there is a minimum over here. So we have seen that at x equal to 5 by 9 there is a maximum. So let us try to find out the value of fx at x equal to 5 by 9. For that, let me insert another page over here. So what we'll try to find out, we'll try to find out f of 5 by 9. So now f of 5 by 9 is equal to 3 into 5 by 9 whole cube minus 7 into 5 by 9 whole square plus 5 into 5 by 9 plus of 6. So upon solving this, we'll find out that the value of f of 5 by 9 is equal to 7.13. Now we have already found out that f of 0 is equal to 6 and f of 2 is equal to 12. So as you can see that in the interval 0 to pi by 2, f of 2 equal to 12 is the maximum value. So as we are supposed to find out the maximum value f of x, that is equal to 12, which is the answer. So today we have solved question number 9 from the engineering mathematics portion of electrical engineering gate exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next question in the subsequent video. Till then, keep watching Soft Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.